Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to do the review of the Maruti Dzire. This is the VDI variant and the diesel one, and the diesel one is just a delight to drive. Now talking about the look, so you can see everything feels kind of basic as such because there are no projectors, there are no fog lamp because this is the VDI variant, so of course you are not going to get any kind of fog lamp as such. But let's see the front grille of the car. So you can see it kind of feels nice as such because chrome surroundings over there, and in between you can see 4-spoke black grille, so that is kind of nice. There is the Suzuki logo and everything feels kind of compact as such. This chrome treatment also looks kind of decent as such. I don't know if that is a part of accessory or a standard equipment. Now this is the overall front look. Let's move to the side a bit so you can see this angle looks great for this car. You can see DDIS badging over there as well. Let's see the tires of this car. So yeah, where is the size written? Here you can see 165/80 R14 and DDIS badging over here. This is the ORVM, which is electrically adjustable but not foldable. Here you can see the indicator as well. Let's see the side look of the car. So yeah, you can see everything feels kind of nice from the side, kind of feel compact from every angle. You will see black and B pillar over there. And let's move to the rear now. The side look is like this. You can see it again, rain visors over there as well. Yeah, so this is the rear plus side look, which looks absolutely mind-boggling phenomenal because of this LED tail light. Yeah, this just looks mind-blowing because of this LED treatment. Now they are not all LED, but when you will press these brakes, so these lights will also glow, and these are LED. You can see bulbs over here, that's why it won't be called all LED. This is the rear look overall, and you can see chrome lining over there, chrome lining over there as well. I think these are aftermarkets. This is the stock one, but this is the aftermarket. Here is the reverse parking camera as well, and you can see reflectors over there. So this is the overall rear look. You can see that is the wiper as well, and Maruti Suzuki badging over here. You can see Suzuki badging, and this is the Dzire badging, VDI badging, and this D means a lot because the petrol one is kind of underpowered, but this diesel is just great. Now this is the boot of the vehicle. You can see decent sized boot. You can see lamp is also there, yeah, somewhere here, and everything kinds of feel light in this vehicle. You can see, and here is no insulation as well. Everything is exposed. That should be improved because this car gets great amount of sale, and you can see, let me show you again. Now in looks, this car just looks great. There is no problem in looks as such. Let's get inside and talk about the space of this car. So now I am inside this car, and you can see there is great amount of legroom and knee room as well. Headroom is also decent. You can see this much of headroom for a 5-6 person, but under thigh support could be better. Here is the AC vent, and you can see roof is beige colored. You can see 2 headrests, and this is the armrest as well, along with this cup holder which is kind of taken off. This is the door. Let me show you the passenger side door as well. So this is the dual tone beige and black door, along with that chrome door handle as well. You can see wooden finish over here, which kinds of look nice. Here is a bottle holder as well. Yeah, so everything kinds of feel light and nimble in this vehicle. These doors are supremely light. Let me turn the chime off, and yeah, now I'm inside this car. Let me push the seat all the way behind. Now it is, and let me turn the vehicle on. So you can see now I've turned the ignition on. This MID is kind of nice, and everything is visible in this, and this looks great treatment. So yeah, let me tell you what all things are there. Kilometer per liter, this is instant fuel economy, and other than that, by pressing this button you can browse through this average. You can also see range. Those are the things, and if you'll keep it pressed like this for some seconds, after that you will get other options as well, and you just have to use this knob to browse through the MID. That is the thing. Here are the trips button as well. Let me first close them. Yeah, you can see Now let's browse through trips. So here is the overall odometer and trip A, trip B. So these are the things about the MID. This is the steering wheel. You can see it is tilt adjustable. Yeah, like this you can adjust it as well. Here are the audio controls. These are other audio controls as well. From here you can pick up call, from here you can cut the call. This is the Bluetooth, but the overall steering looks nice. Let me show you the driver door as well. Here are the ORVM adjustments, and this is to lock and unlock the car. Here is a power window, child lock, other power window switches, and yeah, this is the MID. And let's move to the central console. Here are the two AC vents. This is the hazard lamp switch, wooden finish all over the dashboard. This is the music system along with Bluetooth and all those things. Let's do the audio check. Audio quality is great, and here you can see other things. AC controls. This does not get any kind of automatic AC as such. Here is no space to keep your phone because other things are lying over here. Now let's stop kidding. Here you can keep your phone as well. By the way, wallet is kept over here. This is the aux port. This is the USB charging port. This is a 12-volt port, and here you can see two bottle holders as well. This is the 5-speed manual transmission, and this car gets a reverse parking camera as well. Let me use that as well. So yeah, here you can see bit of a display of rear. That is great. Adaptive guidelines, no, you don't get any kind of adaptive guidelines. This is the handbrake along with this chrome tip. And let's go to the roof. Here is the driver side sun visor along with ticket holder. This is the IRVM, of course, but this is the stock IRVM, this beige colored, and this ORVM is used to see the reverse parking camera. That is the chronology over here. These are the mics, I think, and you can see light over here, and here you can see mirror as well. This is the light for rear also. That is great. Now let's check this glove box. So it is decent sized, though it is not cool. That is okay as well. This is the proper look of the dashboard. It looks nice and great as well. So guys, that was my review of the Maruti Dzire. I hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, then give it a thumbs up, or a Fanta, or a Sprite, anything you want. I know this is an old joke. So yeah, give it a thumbs up. That is the like button. We'll meet in the next video. Like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon as well. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching, and bye bye. Complete your desires as well.